Hello, good morning.
Good afternoon.
Right, yeah, on your side, good afternoon. How are you doing?
How are you? Oh my gosh, I like your voice.
Thank you.
You look like interviewer.
Oh my,
Those who can hear them like on the radio.
that's,
Do you do podcast?
no, I don't actually.
You should
Should
do. You should
should
do.
I?
You will make money.
You're giving me good ideas now. I might actually just do that this weekend.
Yeah, you should do. You give it a try.
I'll give it a go. Ahmed, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. South African always like to pronounce my name perfectly.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. How are you doing? How has your week been so far?
My weekend was great actually
Yeah.
because you know, in the weekend we discover many things, new things.
Is anything new and exciting that you discovered or you did this weekend?
Uh, Actually, I learned how to cook rice, and not like this the white rice. No,
Right.
like a new kind of rice. So
Okay.
yeah, I put like some flavors so to give like that taste, like smoky taste.
Nice. So what did you add that gave it a different flavor to it?
Mm, Actually, it's hard to explain even in Arabic.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough. Okay. All
Yeah. And how
right.
about you? Do you like cook?
I do, but to be honest, rice is something that I always struggle to cook though.
I
It's
can I can
it's
I can teach you that.
please do, because I don't know, it's not something that I eat very often. So when I
Uh-huh.
do cook it, it's always like I have to reteach myself on how to actually cook
Yeah,
the rice.
exactly. I like eyes. By the way, I'm from Iraq.
Right. It's a very stable part of your local cuisine, right?
Exactly. Yeah. Like you
Right.
have, we have like we have to eat rice every day. We used to eat
Really?
rice, okay, from our childhood until now. Okay, so
Wow.
rice and the stew. It's like the biggest part of Iraqi cuisine.
A stew, interesting. And does it
Yeah.
really matter on the kind of meats or the kind of ingredients that is used, or just the general concept of a stew?
Stew. We have like okra stew, beans stew. We have
I
like
see.
tomato stew, and we include some meatballs in the
Okay.
stew. Yeah,
That's very
it's
interesting. I didn't
yeah.
realize that you could actually make a stew predominantly out of vegetables. That's actually pretty interesting. So what is your favorite then?
My favorite. Wow. Um, Actually, I have. I'm always like get confused about like. Correct me, please. So we have like beans and we have beans, right?
Right.
Okay. So I'm talking about like the white beans,
White beans. Yes. Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. This is my favorite, and most of Iraqi people they prefer eat white beans stew.
White bean stew. That
Yeah.
is so interesting. So if that is the main ingredient, what else gets added into it to give it that jolt of flavor?
Yeah. Like we add some onion, and we add some garlic to give like that taste. And what else? Yeah, that's it. And what do you call it? Like tomato juice.
Interesting. White
Yeah.
white beans and tomato. That actually sounds really, really intriguing because, in South Africa, whenever we make stew, the main ingredient is always meat. So obviously with some potatoes and some vegetables in it. But
Ah.
I've never had a stew that's purely vegetables. So, and just judging by the ingredients that you told me, I love all of it. So it can
Yeah.
only be good if you put it all together.
Exactly. Yeah. You will test, like you will test uh, the taste of garlic, the taste of onion, and yeah,
Lovely.
you feel like wow, you are flying above the sky.
Oh, brilliant. I should actually try that because, now in Portugal, we're going into winter. So it's now soup season, it's stew season, all that
Uh-huh.
warm comfort food. So I should actually give that a
Yeah.
try.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly. Speaking about seasons, like yeah, we have like here in my country in Iraq, we have like seasons for food. Like this weather is fits for that stew, right? Yeah.
Right, right, right.
So yeah, it's all people like, especially like the old people when they wake up and watch the weather. Wow. So this is, they directly say to their wives like this weather it's fits for like this stew or this dish. Right, we have that.
I do that as well, because I do like to make soup, especially on those cold days. And I'm exactly the same. If it's a weekend and it's, a little bit cooler outside,
Yeah.
this is a soup.
Uh-huh.
This is a soup
Yeah.
day. I need to make some soup.
Yeah, see, the same habits, we are human. Yeah.
But Ahmed, tell me something. Your English is actually pretty darn awesome. You don't need my help. So what's
Thank you so much, thank you. Yeah, you got me because I have an institute for teaching English. It's a
okay?
global.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
Yeah,
And
and
so,
I have many international tutors from all around the world. So I manage that institute by myself and with my cousin's help.
fantastic. And
Yeah,
so
it's
how long have you been like officially, training yourself to learn English?
um actually I have a degree in English literature.
Uh, So,
Yeah.
so again, what do you need my help for? You probably speak better English than I do.
Stop. Thank you. I will take the compliment. So
Brilliant.
did you believe me when I say like I have an online institute?
Yeah, I did actually for a moment because and the reason why I say that because I can definitely hear it in your accent.
Yeah.
You can, speak English pretty well, so you've obviously conversed with a lot of people or you've
Yeah, exactly.
immersed
Or
yourself in movies, so I can definitely tell by the accent.
or maybe I just ate like my favorite stew, so that's why I have like a good energy speaking English. What do you think when you when you have your favorite dish?
You're not far from the truth because that is usually the case when you're in a good mood, you can do anything,
Right?
especially
Yeah.
speaking a different language.